Flowers in the polytunnel. This is Gaillardia Arizona Sun, and it's beautiful flowers. And when they wilt, the seed capsule looks like this. Okay, this is the old good marigold, the flower that grows easily in the polytunnel, and I do it beside the tomato plants. This is Erysimum bowels mauve. It sounds a bit like bowels move, but anyway, that's the name. And as you see, it has beautiful tiny mauve colored pinkish flowers. And this is inside the polytunnel. Okay, this is another flower. About them, I think this one was from the oldie. It's very beautiful velvety thing. I don't know it shows in here. Probably I should have turned the flash. It is quite velvety, beautiful velvet. And yeah, a tiny plant, but beautiful flowers. And beautiful. But I don't know the name of it. So if you know the name of it, please write it in the comments. Of course, some other flowers. This is the flower of the broad bean. This is the flower of the courgette. This is another flower. I forgot the name of it, but I bought it at Little Plugs from the oldie. It looks beautiful anyway. And of course, the flowers of the tomato in the polytunnel.